Yak, that's right. Okay, listen. Here, what are
Fish.
jellyfish? I want to see you
Swordfish.
recognize the letters, though. Okay? Mommy's going to hold up the letters. You tell me what they are. What's this?
T.
Good. What's this?
T. L.
L.
M. W.
W. What's this?
P.
No.
Q.
Q.
E.
Good job.
I.
Good job.
Y.
Good job.
X.
Good.
7.
7. Now what letter is that? You know that one's F.
F.
What about this?
B.
Good job. What about this?
C.
Z. What's this?
H.
Good job.
M.
Good.
U.
Good.
R.
R.
N.
N.
T.
Good job.
O.
Good.
K.
Good. Good.
D. P.
Good.
A.
A. Did we do this one yet?
J.
J. Good job. Hooray.